Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. Are you like me and you're starting to notice you have a lot of brain fog? That's why I bought this. There's a doctor who talks a lot about brain health and he recommends taking one of these supplements. So that's why I started. I take it as is recommended at bedtime on an empty stomach. It hasn't ever bothered my stomach. I do also have a sensitive stomach and I have been fine. I notice I have been sleeping really well, which at times can be a struggle for me. Also during the day, I do notice that I am less foggy headed and I can think a little bit more clearly, which is great. So I know there's a lot of different factors that go into that, but I've been taking this around 3 months now, and I think it has done me good. So the pill size is normal. It doesn't bother my stomach, even if I have it on an empty stomach or with food, whatever, doesn't matter. It hasn't bothered me. And I think you should give it a try. And that's my point of view.